Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I really hope everyone is doing well in their respective life. So this is Arnab Mullik.
And this is Abhinav Dash.
Today we are going to talk about how we can use the full potential of our brain.
In our daily life, if we use the full potential of our brain, then we would concentrate and learn anything very quickly, and we could analyze them at a very deep level. And it will help us a lot in unveiling our intellectual dimensions. If we do not use our brain at a full potential level, then it would be a terrible in this competitive world.
So without talking further, let's dive into the topic and discuss what we can do to empower our brain at its maximum potential level.
So firstly, let's discuss on where we would love to focus on. We will define three terminologies first regarding the development of our brain. Number one is neurogenesis, number two is concentration power, and number three is challenging yourself. If you don't challenge yourself day by day, your brain will not grow and you will not going to able to go to the next level.
So neurogenesis is basically growing more neurons in our brain. A child at 13 years of age has more than 100 billion neurons in his brain. So his learning ability is much better than an adult. After 13 years of age, brain doesn't grow much neurons. So we have to do something extra to push our brain to grow more neurons, which will help to increase our learning ability.
So the second one is concentration power. So there are three types of mind exist according to the type of concentration of human brain. So the three types of mind is monkey mind, concentrated mind, and monk mind. Monkey mind is a type of mind that gets distracted every flip of the eye, and it never concentrate on a particular thing, and it gets distracted very easily, so it could not focus on any particular thing. And the concentrated mind is the average mind of a normal human being, and the monk mind helps to dives a person into the flow state, and from there they understands everything in a very deep level, and it helps them to decode what they want to understand. This type of mind is very important to use the full potential of your brain.
Now, challenging ourselves every day. It is the key to develop our brain. If we cannot challenge ourselves, our brain's capacity will never increase. We need to learn new things constantly. We have to grow constantly, explore our mental dimensions to get through it, and for this, concentration power is a must. So we have to work in these three areas to develop our brain and use it in a full potential level. Regarding these three issues, we have to work in three domains, which we will discuss later in this video.
So number one is exercise. We all know that on the life-changing benefits of exercise. Our body always wants some physical activity because it increases the flow of blood in our body, which makes our body fully active throughout the day. So the types of exercise we should do every day to increase more neurons and help us to stay activated all the day are. So for exercises, for particularly strength exercises, there are different body parts. Number one is for chest, push-ups and pull-ups. You can also do some deadlifts. Then for arms, you can do planks and some deadlifts also. Then tricep dips are there. For legs, you can do step up and squat and also dumbbell squat. Then for abs, you can do crunches and sit-ups for strength training. Now for cardio, you can jog in a place, you can try jump squats, you can stair climb, you can do burpees, you can do mountain climbers. Walking is a must to enhance your brain at a full potential. You should involve in any sports and you should participate in any competition regarding to that sport. It will help you to increase your reflex, which will directly help you to enhance your brain at a full potential level.
Number 2 is meditation. It helps to increase our concentration power, and while focusing on our inner self, it helps to remove negative patterns in our brain and build positive thoughts. It helps to increase our observation power and to secrete serotonin, melatonin, and GABA endorphin, which helps in our mental well-being. It furthermore empowers our intelligence and to stand out differently from others in a mental level.
So the number 3 is learning and or challenging yourself day by day. So our brain works in a use it or lose it principle. If you constantly practice something, you're going to get better on that, and if you don't practice, you're going to lose that particular memory or skill. So that's why it says that practice makes a man perfect. So every day it is very important for us to grow superficially in an intelligence level. So we have to read self-growth books, we have to apply them into our lives, do something extra that the rest of 80% are not doing, analyze ourselves and focus to improve our weakness and focus on our strength to grow better. We can learn a skill, or we can learn also music, we can also learn any musical instruments, or we can get involved into some creativity. Regular growth of our mind is very important, and for that we should have a proper mental diet plan, which includes reading self-growth books, following right mentors, learning and growing day by day, increase our comfort zone.
If you like this type of contents, please let us know in the comment section below. We'll create more such videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family.
Also, if you have any queries regarding career opportunities or skill related videos, DM us in our Instagram, link is in the description below. We will definitely make a video on that topic. Until then, goodbye. Keep unveiling your intellectual dimensions.